Fox 29's Chris O'Connell is live in Cherry Hill, Camden County. Chris, coronavirus seems to love people living in close quarters.
Yeah, as we know by now, guys, senior citizens, the elderly, are the most vulnerable when it comes to the coronavirus, especially those in close quarters, Shane, as you said, like nursing homes and assisted living facilities. In fact, most of the U.S. deaths so far have come from a Washington state nursing home. That's why local facilities like this one in Cherry Hill are on high alert tonight. Maintenance staff at the Spring Hills Assisted Living Center in Cherry Hill working overtime these days. Their job, keeping coronavirus out.
All the rooms get disinfected once a week, but then all the common areas are being disinfected, more than once a day.
The facility has 125 residents with an average age of 85 years old, many with compromised immune systems, and that translates into a deep concern about the coronavirus.
Our biggest fear is that someone gets sick, whether it be the coronavirus or anything else. Right now, being, kind of influenced by a flu would knock anyone down at this point.
They're following the leads of the CDC, including adding hand sanitizing stations and asking family members to stay away if they're sick. Sheila Salvage says she's seen this before, but still.
I'm not going to spend sleepless nights thinking about it. But when you're with a whole group of people like this, you're more apt to catch something.
The problem is the information keeps changing. Some guests are even wondering, should they even visit loved ones?
My ex-husband's in here, and I come visit him often. But, nobody knows what to do, including who.
Yes, the potential is there, and so is the fear. But you might want to take some advice from someone who's been around the block a few times.
You can't worry about everything, otherwise they commit you to the loony house.
Now, that patient in New Jersey, he is a male in his 30s that tested for a presumptive positive test by the state of New Jersey. He is from Bergen County. That test will now be sent to the CDC for positive confirmation, guys.
All right, Chris O'Connell live in Cherry Hill.